Y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I know there was a mess up at the BoxyCharm up there sometime today, and we do have the message from Joe. So if you received the premium box and you got the wrong palette, you might want to hear this message. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button to make sure your bell's on, you're notified, and you don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing a hidden future sneak peek found in one of their TikToks. Well, thank you so much, Shelly Grigsby. Shelly says, yay, first. Yeah, girl, you got it. You are fast on that bell. And I really appreciate you having your notifications turned on and coming to watch the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You can either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. So YouTube added this new feature, guys. If you are new here and you have not hit that subscribe button, see this red heart right here? This thing will turn blue for about a half of a second if you hit that subscribe button, which is really cool seeing. So if you hit that subscribe button, you should be able to see it turn blue within a half a second. But you got to be, don't blink, or you'll miss it. So did it turn blue for y'all? I hope it did. I hope it's working. So guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So, you know what? I don't know why I'm talking. Here's Joe's message.
Charmers, I wanted to jump real quick and let you know that I know that some of you have received their premium box wrong palette. We're looking at the list of how many were impacted, and we're going to correct this. It's just something that came to our attention. If you are one of those members that received the wrong palette instead of a contour palette and an eyeshadow palette, do not worry, we would know who you are. You don't have to even contact customer service. We will contact you, if not tonight, then by tomorrow morning with a resolution.
So he said that if you do get the premium box with the wrong palette, there's no need in contacting customer service because they know which ones they went out on or whatever, so they will be fixing that. I don't know which palette showed up in the boxes. I don't know. Comment below. Did you get one of these boxes with the wrong palette? And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's the link below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Southern Belle. Southern Belle says, this is the earliest I've ever seen a video go up, and I'm still not first. Laugh out loud. Well, Southern Belle, honey, you know you ain't got to be first here. You could be a pick comment, and yep, there was one uploaded at 5 o'clock yesterday morning. There's a lot of nights I can't sleep, so I just be throwing out videos. If I see a spoiler go up, I try to get it out as fast as I can. But Southern Belle, honey, I really appreciate you coming and watching my videos. I always see you down here in the comments, honey, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check that out for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.